Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create these sticky testimonial cards in Framer without writing any single line of code. I got the inspiration from this website. I'll leave the link in the description along with the free remix link for this project. That said, I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, then go to layers, desktop, and click this layout to make it stack. Then press F to draw a frame, width, fill, height, viewport 100 VH, make it layout. Change the name to image and ticker because inside it we'll add our image and ticker. So upload our image, drop it here, unlock it, set the width 1200, height 800, change the position type to absolute. Also you can change the name to background, image, scroll down, styles, filters, grayscale, and make it 100. Next, add our ticker. Click here, search for ticker, drop it here, align it, center, width 1200, and it's already absolute, so we don't need to touch it. Then add our text, press T to add text, and paste this text. Scroll down, size, make it 200, weight, semi-bold, color, white, letter 0.3, and now everything looks right. Select it, drop it to the ticker here, and then select these three, delete them, and now click this desktop, height, fit content, and let's preview to see how it looks. Let's increase the speed here, so click this ticker and this effect, speed, make it 100. Also we can change the width to relative 100%, and now let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks perfect. Next, draw a frame again, set the width 520, height, leave it like this. We will change the height later, make it layout, then right click on it, create component, name it card, change the name to desktop, scroll down, change the color to this color, add border, and paste this code. Again press T to add text, paste this text, set the width, fill, and wrap this layer in a stack by pressing Ctrl Alt Enter. Name it container, add overall padding maybe 40. Now select the text, style it, change the color to white, line maybe 1.4. Yeah, it looks nice. Then draw a frame again, width, make it fill, height 1, fill color white, name it line, drop it to the container, click this container, set the direction vertical. Next, add text again, paste this text, scroll down, size, make it 22, weight, semi-bold, and drop it here at the bottom. Select this to add stack, name it bottom part. We can add some gap, maybe 60. Also on the container, add some gap to 100. Click this desktop, height, make it fit content, then click here and duplicate this, change the text to this text, size 16, weight regular, select this to add stack, name it client info or anything meaningful. Gap, make it 10. Now draw a frame for image, width 55, height 65, add some radius, maybe 8, fill, image, and upload our image. Drop it here and select this to add stack, name it content, direction horizontal, and finally add our logo. You can use this website, Logo Ipsum, for dummy logo, and select any logo you'd like. Let's use this logo. Click to copy and go back to our project, paste it here, change the name to logo, fill white, and then drop it here, position it here, click this client info, set the width, fit content, we'll change it later if needed. Then click this content, reduce the gap to 0 or maybe 10, distribute, make it space between. As for this to add stack one more time, to place it little bit closer, we can name it info and avatar. Width, make it fit content and reduce the gap to 10 or maybe 20. Click here, width, make it fill, go back to client info, add a fixed width, maybe 150 pixel. Also here, make it fill, align left. Also here, align left. We can reduce the gap to maybe 5. Let's see. Yeah, it looks nice. You can spend more time to adjust the spacing and make it even more perfect. Now let's move on. Go back to home and now click this card and drop it here. Actually here to the bottom. Then select this to add stack. Name it container. Make this layer long like 3000 pixel. Distribute, start. Then click this card. Add max width 520 pixel and change the width to relative 100%. Height, fit content. Also change the color to black. Next, duplicate this 2 more times by pressing Ctrl+D. Select these 3, add stack, name it all card. Let's update the content here. So for this, click here and we need to create variables for content. So double click on it, click here, content, plain text, name it paragraph. As for this, client name, company. As for this, we can't create variable here for this logo because it's a SVG file and we don't have this option here. So what we can do is just delete this, go back to our browser and then download the PNG version, upload the PNG version here. Now click here, fill, create variable, image, and name it logo. Click here and you can see the content here for updating. Change avatar, also the logo. Alright, all done. Now select these 3, change the position type to absolute and click the first one align it left, 20 from the left, also 20 from the top. Click the second one, align it right, top. Maybe we can position it at the bottom like this, and 20 from the right, unpin it from the top, also here unpin it from the top. For the last one, move it to the top little bit here and position it randomly. Also set the width 100% on both. Finally, let's make the section sticky, which is this image and ticker. Change the position type to sticky, and let's see if it's working or not. Yes, as you can see, it's working perfectly. Now let's add our intro animation, if you may have noticed, which is this. So we need to make this circle. For this, go to Figma, then draw a rectangle, press R to draw a rectangle, set the width 2400, height 1600, change the fill color to white, and then draw ellipse, press shift and Alt to draw a circle. You can lock the aspect ratio, set the dimension 300. Now we need to position it at the center. For this, just select these two and press Ctrl Alt G to add a frame. Then click this ellipse, align, center. Make sure to put the circle at the top, and then select these two. Click here, subtract, and that's it. Now click this export, SVG, export it. Go back to our Framer project, drop the shape. We can't see it. Maybe it's in the bottom. Yes. Add stack, name it shape, drag it and drop it here. We can't see it. Click the shape, scroll down, styles, Z index, make it 1, and now let's see. Yes, we can see the shape, but now let's make the animation. So for this, go to effects, scroll transform, trigger on scroll, form, opacity 1, scale 1, go to the twist state, scale it, maybe 5 or 10. Let's see. Yes, it's working, as you can see. Now let's make it responsive. So double click on it, this card, click here to create a variant, name it phone, width, make it 320, and for this logo, you can simply change the direction to vertical, or you can just undo it, click here and hide the logo to keep the project clean. Now go back, create tablet variant, collapse the desktop, then click this card, select all, change the position type to relative, width 100%, and remove the max width here. Click this all card, add padding 40, also add some gap here for consistency, make it 40. Now let's see how it looks on the tablet. Yeah, it looks perfect. You can change the variant to phone. I think the desktop version is okay. Finally, clear the phone version, and everything looks fine. we can maybe reduce the padding to 24, also the gap to 24. Now let's see how it looks. Yes, everything looks perfect. Let's increase the size to see how it looks. Looks perfect. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video inshallah.